I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of bluff, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off.
Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good location. I hope everyone is doing pretty well. So, hi, good evening. So, BK, good evening in your area. It's good to know that everyone is doing pretty fine. I think my sound is a little bit low. I believe you guys can hear me better now. Okay. No. Please let me know if my voice is clear. I see some errors I cannot identify here. Not some errors anyway. The bars are not moving to the extreme, and I feel perhaps is a consign. Okay. It's okay. Everything is fine, I guess. So this evening or morning, depending on your location, we're gonna just explore. Take advantage of the move to earn a little bit more, because we've earned a lot, of course, in the previous couple of streams today. Not couple of streams, the only stream we had in the morning, not a morning, afternoon, that is 13:00 GST. So it was pretty nice. We made some good profit, nice profits. So far so good. We have our playbook, very nice, looking nice with wins. You can see so far so good. We have about 82%, 82.35% wins in the last couple of days. We have how many days there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 7 days, we have taken about 17 trades. And out of these 17 trades, 14 of them are profitable, while 3 are actually losses. You can see that we are headed somewhere this time around. We are here for business this time around. So I thank all of you for at least being so encouraging by joining us here to, explore the new things we are, to do some sort of explorative studies. Okay, so because everything happening in the market is some sort of we exploring the market, right? We observing the market to see what actually has happened in the past and how we can take advantage of that stuff to, in the present, right? How we can take advantage of that in the present to make some money, Okay, so moving to NAS. NAS is pretty much very self-explanatory. The lines. My the levels I've actually marked since morning they are still playing out, and as at now, we don't know what price is going to do next. Really, we don't know what price is going to do. We don't know really. So what we're going to do here, I don't know. This may not be weak enough, but then let's see in the next 9 minutes. Excuse me. In the next 9 minutes, we're going to determine if this actually is weak enough. Perhaps if price closes somewhere here, somewhere around 128.29. This is NAS, by the way. If the candle closes somewhere around 128.17 or 29.30, then we can take advantage of this week. Once the next candle opens, there's gonna be a pop and then boom. Okay, that pop and boom is what we can actually take advantage of here in the NAS 1 hour. Okay, and that is it for NAS. We caught this during not London session, 2 hours, right? 2 hours after London opened, we caught this move. We caught it in its entirety. We caught it, and I'm here to say congrats to everyone that caught this move with me. And then we have right here something similar to our formation, but the reason why I am not looking at this is because I can't see any shooting star. At least there should be one shooting star, showing that this is making sense for us, right? If we get one shooting star or hammer, something similar to that, it shows that we are on track, right? But I can't see anything like that here. That's actually why I'm so reluctant about taking any trade here, because this could be a trap. It could be a fake bearish force, right? So I'm gonna advise everyone to be careful with this guy right here. Okay, so let's assume 1 hour closes with a good week. So we're going to take a position whereby we expect price to actually move all the way. Let's assume price closes here, just assumption, 45 pips. So we expect, let's just mark this place. Let's not just get carried away by profits and then get trapped at the same time. So this is it. Let me bring this to the front. Bring to front. Nice. Okay, so there we go. It all makes sense now. So if we get into any position somewhere here, looking at the position of this week, this long week here, so we see that this week may be filled, and once the week gets filled, then I think we are good to go for the day. Okay, we don't need to be greedy today. This is about 95 pips on average. Okay, so let's try not to get things riled up. And on the other hand, I see that price is actually, it has formed a setup right here. So this setup actually could be corrected like up to 130.56. I don't know what price we do when NYSE opens, but then what we hope to take advantage of weak fill, and if we are able to get some more confirmation around this zone, then we can take advantage of bearish forces around here. Okay, so that is it about NAS. You can go ahead and please ask me your questions if there is any. If you have not liked the stream, please go ahead and like the stream, because we're putting effort here every day. Nobody pays me anything, but I just have fun doing this. Okay, so the only thing you can do to show some appreciation is to like what we do. Okay, if that is done by from your end, then we can proceed. Okay, so right here we have EURUSD playing out, giving us some moves, some unexpected move, or do I say anticipated move, because it was actually anticipated, not really unexpected though. Okay, so looking at this setup, so this candle today can only end in two ways, not in one way, right? It can only end in two ways. I mean, out of two ways, one way, sorry, it can only end in one way, not in two ways, right? If this low is broken, low of yesterday's candle, if it's broken, then there's a huge possibility that we can see price until 1469. But then if this low is not broken, there is another huge possibility that price may reverse, because you never can tell what's going to happen, right? Let's look at FOREX Factory to see if there is any news today. So here we have job opening. Really, I've not read this before. This young man, I don't know how market reacts to this, but let's see. July 6th. Let's look at July 6th at 6 p.m. It's like 6 p.m. right? So excuse me guys, excuse me. Apologies for that delay in transmission. So that is 6 p.m. on the 6th of July. Let's see how it impacted our own very NAS July 07 6th, and of course 6 p.m. Okay, so we're looking at 6th of July. So this is somewhere 6th of July, and it's actually 8th of July. Okay, we're looking at 6th of July, 18:00. So this is actually what happened on that day. 6th. What the hell is 18? Okay, so this is 18. Nothing, basically nothing happened, just some sort of noise, nothing else, nothing. Market is empty. So the best place to have gotten into a position here was around 22, which was somewhere here, for price to push up for this profit to be gathered, right? So nothing, this news, I don't know, I don't want to go back to start retesting when it's already 5 p.m. So let's see what's actually happening at 5 p.m. whether there is any. I think there's a move, guys. There's a move for us right there. Let's look at 30 minutes. Okay, there's a move, guys. Unfortunately, we are not getting in on time. I don't think this is going to push back. If it pushes back, we're going to enter. If it doesn't push back, no way. If it pushes back, then we set our sell stop below for price to push down a little bit. We gather some profits and wait for 5:30. So let's see. Oh, Abdurrahman Abdurrahman, thanks for your kind words. I appreciate your kind words. Okay, all right. Euro USD, yes, I know we are behind schedule when it comes to analysis, but then I ran into a couple of unavoidable issues here, so I have to meet myself a couple of times, and I'm not done meeting myself. I'm gonna still meet myself, from time to time. Okay, I don't know what is this line. Okay, it's just marking out, used it to mark out very important levels. Okay, makes sense. All right, this is actually a very important level. If price does come here and close above, especially daily, then we are out for we are up for a huge rise. So now, okay, I think we are getting something here. Let's see, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen here, by the way. I don't know, but from what I see here, I think it makes sense to actually wait for NYSE open, unless we see something very nice, really. This is about 17 pips. It's useless. Yes, I would have said let's just ride the wave until we get to this stop loss. But let's see how the amount of week this current 1 hour is going to leave us with. I think this is also the close of 4 hours, right? So yeah, it makes sense to trade with 4 hours actually. When 4 hours, 1 hour and 30 minutes close at the same time, it makes sense to trade with the highest the highest pay, so that you avoid unnecessary traps, because there is a huge possibility that 4 hours is going to blow up, and if it blows up, it may actually break the high of the previous 1 hour, and when it breaks the high, you may be assuming that price is actually going up, whereas it has not broken the high of the previous 4 hours. So these are the conflicts I'm actually trying to avoid when such with this scenario. Okay, so let's see if we get a week that is at least somewhere between 128.38 and maybe 128.45, somewhere between that range. If we can get a range within that range, then we can actually take some positions, hoping that price is going to drop. But this is actually a nice one, by the way. This is actually a nice one. But the dangerous part about this particular candle here is that the break of above the high is going to cause price to keep going up. That is the dangerous piece about this setup here. So that is why we have to be very, very careful, guys. We have to be very careful. Let's look at Euro USD. I've marked out the levels. I've not said anything about the levels, but then pretty much fine. These are the important levels for today. Okay, let's see. Yeah, they're pretty much very important, guys. They are very important levels right here. Let's see how it's, yeah, exactly. Like I said, look at this setup. So you can draw something below that. Our profit target should be that area. So let's see, how can we take advantage of this? I would have actually opted in for a sell stop somewhere around here, okay. But then looking at what I have here, I have a lot of noise around this area. You can see the noise, right? Can you see what's happening here and here? So it makes sense if we actually wait to see if price is actually going to break below here. So this would have served as a very fantastic weak fill, but then I think we should wait a little bit to see what price is about to do. So based on price action, we can recommend a buy or not, whether we're going to buy or not. Just stay tuned and call my attention, please, if you see me deviating. Okay, this is actually breaking. It's actually breaking below. It's actually breaking the bounce. My question now is this going to continue moving down? That's the question. Is this going to continue moving down? We can give it a trial. It's part of our setup, right? It's our job to you know, to try out things when they are going in our direction, right? So let's look at a sell stop below this level. I'm going to give the other coordinates when we are actually go in. When we are in, then I will give the other coordinates. Do not worry about EURUSD. I'm observing it from my other screen. Once something happens, I'm going to switch, and of course we'll discuss that as required. EURUSD looks pretty much very stubborn today. I mean, if this is not a fake out, like, you know, let's go to EURUSD to understand. I'm not going to trade with 30 minutes or 1 hour. I'm just going to go to 4 hours, because this is actually very important, because all of them closed at the same time. It makes sense if I leverage on the higher time frame to give you know, to get a proper confirmation, right? So what I'm trying to say, if this comes below, it makes sense to get into a position, but the question is, this is 4 hours and we have a very long candle like this. What makes us think that price is just going to continue moving down when we have, you know, this candle here that the wick just got filled, just like we have here? You can see the wick just got filled, and it makes sense if we assume that price will actually go up a little bit, you know, a little bit, at least to this level. I mean, this kind of setup, having this and having this guy very close to its low. I mean, you can see this candle actually closed very close to previous candle's low. So it makes sense if we allow the price to go up, I mean, very well, give us a very steeper wick, then we can jump in right at this point for price to continue going down. I mean, this is easy money, guys, because looking at the left hand side, you can see that we don't have a lot of noise. Left hand side is just clean. Look at daily, it's just clean. I mean, in daily time frame it looks like a noise, but then look at that. I mean, it's just tradable. It's tradable. Just have to wait to see what 4 hours is going to do. So today we're trading with 4 hours today, most likely, because of the situation of everything around here. Very importantly, the break of this high, the high of NAS previous 1 hour, is going to make us cancel every position we have. So what we're going to do to make sure that we track this properly is to mark this level and then observe it from 4 hours, right? The break of this high, we're going to cancel the trade completely until this 4 hours breaks this low again. Then we can think of the trade one more time. So do not worry, I'm observing EURUSD from my terminal, from my other terminal, my other screen. If there's any move happening there, definitely I'm going to call everyone's attention. Come, of course, I'm not going to take the trade alone, okay? I'm not that greedy. I love carrying people along. If I make profit alone, I don't feel happy, right? I like everyone around me to make profit as well. So guys, apologies if you're hearing some sounds in the background, and the babysitter today in the house. So the little ones, they won't stay alone, so I have to bring them along. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go back to the news. I just want to be online to see how this news turns out. Perhaps today it could be good. I didn't have the time to explore, I know, the news released before last month. I just wanted to do some sharp things. So if at all I'm going to explore that, perhaps it could be maybe at my own private time. That's when I'm going to explore that. Okay. So guys, do you see the importance of not just rushing into trade because candle is moving? If we wanted to rush into this trade, when we saw the candle that it was completely red and there was some sort of fake volume coming in there, we would have just, oh, okay, guys, sell, but no, we didn't do that. What we did was, okay, it has created a new low. It's okay. Let's wait for the break of that new low. Okay, these are the things you need to start implementing. Those when I used to open, even until sometime, very recent, I still lose, woefully. I mean, but then when I learned to wait for confirmations, it helped me mentally. It helped my sanity, right? So if you can adapt or whatever you call it, if you can adopt that, it's gonna be helpful for you, of course. Let's see, guys. Do we have only 10 people here today? My God, where is everyone? It used to be 25, guys. Did anybody scare anybody away? Did anybody scare anybody away? Okay. Let's see. Again, apologies for the noise in the background. It's pretty much unavoidable. If we don't have to set this house on fire, I have to allow this now. If I don't allow this noise, this house is gonna be on fire. So we're gonna make mistake with our trades, okay? But then why? My question, something just popped to my mind. Why am I taking these 4 hours? I don't see any of my setups here. So that's a very nice question. Why the hell am I taking it? Let me look at 1 hour and see if there's anything that's going to prompt me. Perhaps. We have a week here, but it's just a normal week, right? It's a normal week that is meant to be filled. It's okay. Let's see. Well, what I'm saying is that this is not part of my strategy. It's not in my strategy. I don't think I'm going to take the trade. Even if it flips, I don't think I'm going to take it. What do you think, guys? Because if I take this trade and we lose it, I'm not hurt myself, or I'm gonna blame myself. Anyway, most likely the previous 1 hour is broken. The previous 1 hour high is broken, so it most likely means that price is heading up. So like I promised, I'm gonna cancel this sell stop until further notice. Or can I leave it? Permit me, guys, to leave it until this candle breaks above the previous 4 hours. Then it's going to be an absolute confirmation of what I have in mind. Let's see. Did anyone take the trade with us, in 2 hours? Excuse me, 2 hours ago. Did anyone take any trade with us 2 hours ago? We went in massively, like we made a lot today, a lot of money today. So for those that traded with us, big congrats, really. You guys are awesome. You guys are pretty much, even before I got into the live stream, I already made, personally, I already took 3 powerful trades. 3 very powerful trades, and then I got into the live stream. I called, I think, 2 trades, I took 1. And the one I took is the best. That is this German index. I think this actually I closed this around 47, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Let me take a quick look at German index. Okay, so we had the setup somewhere. I can't remember, guys. Where was that setup again? Okay, 11. Yeah, we had a setup here, and I said the break of this low is going to cause price to go down, right? So this was how, this was the case. So when this guy broke this low, we got in on 47. Okay, so yeah, that's around the close around 40, then 42 or thereabouts. So this is supposed to be the final price is supposed to be 42. This actually went back to break even at 3 pips, so let's have it as what it is. 27, yeah, 15 exactly. So when you compare this and this is the total absolute number, I mean average or whatever is or we're gonna call it. So in a situation whereby we enter whatever thing we closed with and it goes to zero, then it's gonna be some sort of break even, right? Let's say we close with minus 27. Yeah, it goes to zero, then it becomes a break even. All right, that's nice. Okay, hello Kiki, good to have you after a long time. Excuse me everyone. Okay guys, sorry for that little bit of break. Okay, so again the question now is, okay, previous 4 hours is not broken, so this trade is pretty much valid based on 4 hours confirmation. 1 hour confirmation failed, 30 minutes confirmation failed long time ago. What we have left now is 4 hours confirmation. If for any reason price breaks above this level, breaks above 126.60, it's most likely possible that this move downwards is not going to be holding. Well, we have some cases where it broke and then we still had the move, by the way. So we just have, like for instance here you can see we had a week here, but then price broke below and still we had the move, you know, the continuation. It was can you see it was massively massive. So these are the kind of things we hope to get, you know, some days, and of course we're not going to get them every day. So based on 4 hours confirmation, let's see. Okay, so I'm going to leave this at this size so I can have complete visibility. Then Euro USD is doing pretty well. 1 hour confirmation is still intact. How? Because it has not broken above. And 4 hours still very much intact because this guy is still very far. This is the kind of trade that is going to be so profitable if it breaks below. This is the kind of trade that if you observe it, if it breaks below, it's just going to dump, you know, dump straightforward. This is the kind of trade I like to take. So I think it's beginning to mature. So let's quickly, instead of, we know that there's a level here, right? So what can we do? Okay, can actually reduce this to the barest minimum. Of course, we all know that this is a sell. So what we could do is just to introduce our usual guy here. Introduce our usual guy, and of course, I want it to be green. I want this to be green, so take profit is green. So let's see. What I would write here is sell stop. Okay, this is gonna be I want it to be at the bottom and on the left hand side, but then it's not visible. Okay, I have to let some things go so that it becomes visible. But what to do, guys? What to do? So selling stop below this level, and of course selling stop below this level again. I'm gonna just target. That's it right there. And for Euro USD, that is it right here. We have approximately 10 minutes to NYSE open. I don't know what it's gonna be. Do not forget, what we are always looking out for is these two setups. Okay, these two setups. In NAS, the setup is confirmed. This is confirmed in as much as it has a lot of upper wick. Okay, it has a lot of upper wick, but then it still can play out because I've seen things like this. This is actually seen as a pause in market, like some sort of pause. After this pause, what normally happens is a mad move, to the downside. So guys, I'm gonna advise, price is moving to our moving quickly to our area. So I'm just trying to set my positions right now. Setting my positions already, just in case, so I don't lose out. Okay, but my worries is NYSE open. If our positions, if it's not aligned with our positions, it's gonna be mad. Like it's gonna be, a lot of trouble for us. Let's hope it doesn't come to that anyway. Let's see, set stop below this for your USD, right? Nice. So okay, I'm gonna put stop loss, take profit at once. I'm gonna add take profit at once, then we decide stop loss the moment the trade is triggered. The reason why I want to add no need, man, because this looks like a trade that is gonna just move, dump, rather than moving. It looks like something that's gonna just dump at once. So let me take advantage of that dump, massive dump. We're gonna decide the stop loss the moment we are triggered. Okay, do not worry. But then of course, the stop is never more than this, never more than 126.61. Looking at the setup itself, it's not more than 126.61, 128.61. I'm sorry guys, 128.61. So let's see how many pips we are talking about here. Oh, that's nice, guys. These days we're getting very nice stop losses, guys. This is awesome. 38 pips, right? And for Euro USD, I think is about 20 something. Yeah, 21. This is nice. It's really very interesting. So I have not set any trade on NAS because I know NAS is crazy. Really, I set trade on Euro USD alone. I know NAS is insane, considering the fact that, guys, you know what? Permit me to zoom this in a little bit. Sorry that if that I move my mouse on the chart a lot. So If this candle sorry, I thought I was looking at 30 minutes. Okay, if this 30 minutes actually closes this way, just exactly this way, then the next candle that's going to form, I don't think it's going to test, it's going to ever go up. It's just going to just pump down and release some massive pips. So I would rather be, or do I wait? Guys, let's just wait, please. We have 6 minutes. We can wait. We waited for 24 minutes, not 24 minutes, almost more than way over 30 minutes. I think we can wait this out. Let's wait, okay? Do not be in a hurry to take this position because it's going to be massive. I have a feeling I'm going to make some massive profit today. How? Really, guys, I don't know. So, Simeon, are you here? If you're here, please say hi. Simeon. And who are those nice people? Kiki already said hi. Everybody, all of my friends, I don't know where they are. They all left me. I'm just getting new friends these days. The old ones all left me. I'm not sure why. See what price is gonna do in the next 5 minutes. Music. Enjoy the music. to see the broker that I use, Miss World, you need to actually look at my description. You're gonna see everything you need. Okay, guys, this is it happening. Volume is in. What is it gonna be? Volume is in. Oh my god, it's so much volatile. I love this. Oh god, this is happening. This is happening for real, guys. Please do not open any position. You have to wait so that price is going to relax. If price does not want to wait for us, then let it go. Okay, instead of making us chase it around, let it go. It needs to relax so that we can take a trade. If it doesn't, guys, let it go, please. Okay, if it doesn't wait for us, let it go. Let it give us an opportunity to get into positions. If it doesn't, then leave it alone. At this time, I have no idea whether price is gonna go up or down. So let's allow it to finish dancing around. Then it's gonna reveal to us what it wants to do. Okay? It's okay. If it's going up, allow it to go up. It's okay, because I know there is weak fill here and stuff like that. But then we need to let at least 30 minutes to close before we get something nice, because this could be a trap. You know, you never can tell. Just hang on in there. If you know we can secure some sort of break. If we can secure a break above, you know, this early area, and then a break and retracement back, then you can take a trade. Okay, a break, even if he wants to go to heaven, is okay. I'm not going to take any trade now. If we can secure a break and then closure of 15 minutes or 30 minutes, you know, with very long week, that's the time. Okay, guys, that is the time. You remember what happened here, right? Do you guys remember what happened here? This guy was running all the way up, but we didn't bother. First of all, we took a trade down here, okay, and then second, this guy was running all the way down. We didn't bother, right? We have to wait. We waited, and then after he's done running up and down, we got in, and we still made a lot of money yesterday, right? So let's do the same thing today. If unfortunately we couldn't get any trade, it's fair, it's fine. I mean, I'm definitely good, because I don't want to lose whatever thing I caught today. But I feel very happy, so I don't want to lose it. That does not mean that trade controls my emotions, by the way. I mean, I'm just saying how I feel, okay? It has nothing to do with my emotions. Okay, call outs. No week. So something is happening. Somebody's gonna get trapped, believe me when I say that. You can see price move all the way up to this level, but I have a question for you, right? If you take this trade, are you gonna be able to replicate this next time? If yes, take it. If you cannot, don't take it. For me, I'm not gonna be able to replicate it this time, so better leave it alone. Excuse me. Okay, let's see how it goes. Let's take a quick peep at 15 minutes. 15 minutes is looking so nice. Wow, look at these long candles. Wow. Okay, looking good. But then again,
Sorry, I don't understand.
look at 4 hours. 4 hours is still not broken. So why in the name of God should I take a buy? Right? When 4 hours is yet to be broken in Euro USD, NAS 4 hours. Yeah, previous 4 hours is definitely broken. It's fine, but then we need a confirmation. Euro USD I can understand, but NAS with volume time, NAS can do anything. It can deceive you, it can trap you. As long as there's volume, it's going to deceive you so much. Do not get me wrong, guys. I can be talking shit and this price is going to jump up to, this level 129, 129.90, right? But then I didn't get into this position because there's no structure. Okay, there's nothing is there for me. Okay, 4 hours. Had it been this close bullish, then this would have been an ample opportunity for me to make some money, right? Let's see, this is about 65 pips, right? So would have made some money here. Okay, again, secondly, 1 hour, this guy closed bearish, so this is, is of no use going in, right? Because we expect this to be, at least if we want to talk about week, we expect this to at least become, what is it called, close bullish. Okay, we just want to get something, something similar. We don't want to get something else. Okay, so unfortunately we have to wait. Let's wait. If you don't want to wait, it's okay, you can drop. Those of us that traded without yesterday, you remember what happened in this zone, right? You remember how this all played out, how it all started. If you remember this candle, do you remember how it all started? It started by me telling you that this does not have a lower wick, so there's an issue here. There's something that's going to happen here, and some guys were actually getting in. Then upon NYSE open, we actually got in here and got out. Just very, very nice trade yesterday, and then it pumped up. I requested anyone not to take the trade. After this 30 minutes closed, or one hour closed, we got in and made a lot of profits, if you remember. So let's just chill, guys. Chill out. Don't be in a hurry. Look at all this noise. Do you want to have high BP with all this noise around here? This is a very strong resistance. Okay, so let's see how price actually wins over this area. If it pumps up, fine. We're gonna wait for it to pump down. If it pumps, it's gonna unpump itself. Then we take advantage of that unpumped, pips, and then it's gonna pump back. We make some money. So officially, has it crossed 4 hours? Yes, it crossed 4 hours. So let's see how price is going to react around here. That's basically the most important thing right now. I have a feeling this is just a trap, so price is actually trying to gather liquidity. I'm not saying this is actually what's happening. I'm just saying I have a feeling this is the case. I have this strong feeling. Okay, now I think we can say that price may be gathering liquidity, but we cannot say that until this guy closes, right? We need to allow it to close, because these guys are insane. They can do and don't do, they can do anything they like at any point in time. So let's wait patiently, guys. We have volume already, yes, but let's wait patiently. I have a feeling this is gonna just push back and do some stupid things below here. I hope I'm ready to jump in. Wow, still pushing up. Wow. Do I regret not taking this trade? Never. Guys, never, ever, 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 never, ever have I. If I were to use my impulse entry strategy, I would have taken this trade at this level, perhaps more. Let's do like professionals here. I would have taken this trade here with stop loss at 54 pips, and then we're already up about 30-40 pips. So why would I always be going for 54 pips stop loss and take profit of initial scooping of 30 pips? So it makes sense if we wait a little bit to see if we can get lower stop loss by getting some nice formations, right? Okay, let's see. The fact that there is no lower wick here is giving me some sort of confidence that price is going to move down. Let's look at German index. German index is pretty much very useless. Voila, is very useless. But I think I see some significance here, some good signal. So where are my smart money traders? Where are you guys? Smart money traders, this is for you guys, okay? Only for smart money traders. If you're not a smart money trader, don't just bother trading this. You will never understand it. I'll just draw the lines and leave them, okay? Smart money traders are going to take advantage very quickly. Okay, so this is gonna be supply. This is our supply zone, right? My smart money traders, for your confirmation, look at this from up to down. Where is this? It has already touched 78. Perhaps it may move up or up to 8.60 to touch it. If it touches it, you know what else? You know what the story is, right? From the measurements I know that you guys normally use, it's normally something like this, taking trades somewhere here, right, using very small stop loss, so yeah, exactly, then matching it up to -61%. Can I give you guys an honest feedback about smart money, guys? They are too dang greedy. They're too greedy. This is what smart money guys normally do. I'm not comfortable doing this. Yeah, there's a lot of profits here, but I'm not comfortable doing this. So this is not my strategy, so I moved away. If you're a smart money trader, go in there, rewind my video, and take your entry right there, and take your entry to the next level, okay? So it's pretty obvious that we have to wait for the next 1 hour, okay? Obviously we have to wait. So I'm closing this. I'm closing my entry for at least for NAS. Euro USD has not shown us any signs. Let's see. If this candle is actually able to close, like this, my god, it's gonna be so simple. It's so predictable. It's gonna be a case of taking a trade. Maybe if it closes like this, the next candle is just gonna pop, open, pop high, move a little bit low, and then we take all this. This is all our profit, right? Mind you, this is not similar to smart money moves. This is not similar to smart money move. Let's see what German 30 is doing. I'm interested in seeing, guys. Do you see? It's like German index is actually responding to this smart money area. The entry buy they would have been normally they have according to what I have seen, what I have read, because I wanted to do smart money before. I'm experienced in smart money, by the way. That was my initial strategy I used to start Tradingview. If you look at my analysis, like my analysis as early as May 2021, April, May, June, July, those times, even till December, I think I was in smart money, but then I lose more than I gain. So that was why I left. So the entry would have been somewhere here, one, and somewhere here. Okay, why here? Because this is the the main resistance, right? Yeah, and then after this is I'm talking about wick here. This guy may need to get a wick, right? So it makes sense if you allow it to get a wick and then have your entry. That is why I actually put this at the center or wherever, right? So something might give it a week and then for price to continue going down. You never can tell. I'm not saying that this is a valid trade, right? Don't get me wrong. I'm just saying from my experience. So you are not advised to take this trade. Oh no, price is moving. But guess what? I don't really care. Just have to be patient, guys. Some people are already very impatient. Oh, this guy is just talking nonsense and price is moving. God. Guys, relax. This move is just how many pips? This is open. How many pips? 92 pips. Let's look at yesterday. Yesterday moved what? 113 pips. So it has to move 113 pips before you guys begin to stress me again, okay? If we had gotten in here, stop loss at 8 pips, 75 pips. Hey, done and dusted. I have a question. If we get in there, are we going to replicate this tomorrow? That's a question for you guys. Answer that. Can you be able to replicate it? Do you have anything here? Anyway, I think if I actually wanted to take this trade, it would have been easy here. Up, down, and then I'm going to get in here with, stop loss somewhere here. Let me see how many pips we're talking about. 37 pips. Okay, that's pretty much nice. Not really bad. This would have been nice, but then I think when I got a bullish candle before this one, I would have taken this trade. But then being it that this is the only bullish candle before this candle itself, it says a lot of things about candle health. Why am I visiting this guy? Do I have any covenant with this guy? Please don't confuse me, Mr. Man. 4 hours is still not broken, so this is actually a good sign that price will push down so well, guys. It's gonna push down so much. Okay, so if you have the strength, this is gonna be your entry. If you have the strength, okay. If you don't have the strength, please wait for the entry tool, which is second entry is this. So choose what you want, okay. Second entry is this. Do not open the two, guys. Please don't open the two, just open one, okay. Open just one. One is enough. EURUSD, one entry is enough, guys. Please don't hurt yourself. Okay, for me, I think we should be in by now. For those of us that took this entry, we should be in. I'm just waiting for price to push down to trigger this. Then I'm going to remove these two things and put the buy, the sell, whatever, short position signal or whatever it's called. Can you chart US500 as well? It tends to move with NAS. Man, US500, US30, German index, what are they? US2000, they all are correlated. They all are correlated, my friend. Okay, you don't need to waste your time doing all of them single. I mean, you're gonna just waste your money doing the same thing over. Can you see what is happening here? To show you that I wasn't making noise about whatever I'm saying, you've gotten a confirmation here that price may push down. This is a confirmation for you, right? Price may push down. This it's a confirmation, I would say. Okay, but it's not a okay. It's not a confirmation, guys. This is my setup. This is similar to my setup, right? If we get in here, this is 109. Oh, come on, guys. What kind of poor movement is this? This is just 10 pips. What is this 100 pips? KJ, BK, can you explain to us how how you calculate, how you count your pips here, please? Because we are already confused. Oh, my darling. Guys, can you see my darling? Do you see what my darling is doing? US30, my enemy. Okay, first of all, if I were to be in this trade, honestly speaking, I would have, okay, this is this current 30 minutes, right? Yeah, US30 is moving down because it needs to move down. We anticipated, oh, guys, that's awesome. That's awesome, guys. We anticipated NAS to actually move down. If you remember, we were waiting for NAS to move down, but then I say something that there's a formation here, right? Price may move up first before moving down, so I'm waiting for that bottom movement. Okay, so Euro USD, you are a darling. I hope you guys got into this trade, because myself, I got in. Okay, I got into this trade. Look at it here. It's nice, looking so much good. Okay, so if I lose this trade, I'm not gonna worry, because I saw some energy. I've seen the energy with this trade. It looks, even though the stop loss is very high though. So let's see. So our entry was here, somewhere here, presumably. Stop loss is gonna be above here. Well, take profit. Oh, just almost 1:1. But guys, guess what? It doesn't matter. Okay, because we manage risk. Okay, so we're gonna manage this trade accordingly. So let's see, 8 pips, 10 pips. We're gonna, at this level, no, let's make it exact. 10 pips, we close 50%. Okay, 10 pips, we close 50%. This is 10 pips right here. Let's see. US30 is moving down, my friend Miss World, because we anticipated price to move down, right? It's moving down because that is where it chose to move. Watch out and see what NAS is going to do later. Either US30 is going to turn and join NAS, or NAS is going to turn and join US30. Both of them are always correlated. Okay, there's nothing to worry about. And secondly, do not forget that we have news. We have news in approximately 8 minutes, and sincerely speaking, we do not know the outcome of this news. I mean, the impact, I would say. So you better be careful. If you're already in profit in Euro USD, you can go ahead and please secure your profits. I would advise. So where is Miss World? Can you see this? This young man is pushing down, right? So it explains why NAS, or is it called US30, Dow Jones. Dow Jones is moving down. I just want a little bit of profit. I'm not asking for much, guys. 33 pips is not much, right, guys? It's not much, right? It's not much. So let's see. So let's open up. This is Euro USD here, and this you wanna open US30 here. US30. So guys, see what US30 is doing. US30 is a cheat. It's a cheat, man. It's cheating us. Any day we're not looking at US30, it's gonna move so much. But guess what? I'm never gonna add US30 to my portfolio. Never, guys. Never. I'm never gonna do that. I'm never gonna add US30 to my portfolio. I don't have the strength. I think I'm okay with NAS, German index, and Euro USD. It's more than okay for us. But then, if you look at what happened here, like according to your question, after this closure, we expected NAS to do something like this, you know, and keep moving down. What I think is it overdid it. You see, it overdid it. You can see pretty much that it overdid it, right? Let's go to firewall so I can see. Do you see? This is pretty much the same setting. Can you see the same setups? This and then this. In NAS, this and then this. But then we expected something to, you know, fade the wick, but it's rather it went to retest somewhere and give some people wick. Wish you're not against, but oh no, come on, move down, my friend. Don't be a stranger, please. Don't be a stranger. Now, if you have not secured any profit in this trade and you feel you cannot handle the loss that may come as a result of this trade, now is the time to quit. Okay? If you have not secured any profit and you feel you cannot handle the loss that may come with this trade, now is the time to quit. You don't need to be here. Okay? It doesn't hurt to leave now. For me, I'm still in the trade. Sure, man. When I see things like this, I get riled up, you know, I get pissed off. We have just a couple of minutes for price to create 1 hour, the next 1 hour bar, and at the same time we are anxious. I'm just very anxious, keen to understand how this, to see the outcome of this news. I'm as tensed at you about this news, what this news could do to Euro USD, especially because we already have a trade running in Euro USD. Let's see. So the question I have for NAS now is, what next? Because from what I see here, NAS is strongly, like seriously bearish, and this guy is just doing something else. Really, I mean, this is just not making sense, because you don't want to get trapped in the name of weak. Perhaps if we assume weak here, and then if this guy gets into a position and this guy pushes down, it's because I don't even know why did I open US stereo at all. It's just useless to me, because opening it now is just just made me lose hope. I don't like doing that. US 30 is pushing so strong that I'm scared of opening positions now. Please guys, mind how you confuse me. Mind how you confuse me, please. Euro USD, can you respect your grandfather and just keep moving down? Let's just close this deal. We already have a deal. Let's just close our deal. We have less than a couple of seconds to so sorry I didn't add price tag around this area. So this is actually what we are looking at for Euro USD. Let's hope it does good by us. Okay, we're about to pop. So we may see a pop boom. Okay, let's just hope, because I think I'm just gonna keep hoping on my strategy, hanging on to my strategy regardless of what US30 is doing. So I feel price is just going to go up to this level to fill, you know, to fill this week, and of course give this guys week. It's about 95 pips. Let's see how it happens. So here now, should happen now, guys. Oh, sorry, I wasn't paying attention. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's see how this reacts. So I'm gonna hope for buy stop above this level. That is, if it's turning back. So buy stops are above this level. Okay. So this is buy stop for us. For us, it's gonna be the buy stop. Let's see how it works out. But then this is strange. Selling EURUSD and buying NAS. Guys, is that not strange? These two pairs are really correlated. Again, if you believe in the mystery of correlation, or do I say mystery of correlation? That term correlation, the principles or concept of correlation, then you may have to sit this trade out, okay? If you believe so much in the concept of correlation, you may please have to sit this trade out, because you're going to be okay. It has moved up, it has flipped. Again, it went back. Nice that our position did not get triggered. Again, that is why I advised during my day trading today. It makes sense if we have buy stops 2 or 3 pips, 1 or 2 pips, you know, or do I say 1 to 3 pips above the high, so that pops like this, you see the pops like this, it doesn't impact us. Had it been we had this directly above our the high, the open, then it would have impacted us negatively, right? So that's just the only thing I have to say now. I don't have much things to say again than to wait to see how these two trades, these two siblings, how they actually wanna go against each other. For me, if you're hoping that I'm gonna take a sell, guys, I don't have a confirmation for sell. Okay, I don't do. Oh, okay, guys, move stop loss to break even and close 50%. I'm closing 50% right away. This is awesome. I love EURUSD. Have you guys seen why I love this pair? It behaves like my grandma. Showers blessings on us unexpectedly. Nice. So I closed at 17 pips. So let's, while we wait for perhaps price to take profits, let's look at NAS one more time. So I'm happy now because EURUSD is no longer a loss. Okay, this is what I did. You can see I closed. Let me activate my level so I can see. You can see right here, I closed, I got in here and closed partials here, right? So you can see clearly I closed, I mean, at a very nice and reasonable area. And these are all trades for today. You can see the only trade I lost here is the first one I took, which of course I explained already why I lost that trade. I didn't lose it per se. I was not supposed to lose that trade, but out of let me show you guys while we're waiting for these guys to confirm whatever thing they are doing. Let me show you guys why I lost that first position. Okay, will I ever be able to see where I got into that position? Will I ever be able to see that? Nice. I think I saw that. I got in somewhere here. Yeah, I got in when this guy finished. I was skeptical to get in, by the way, but then looking at, you know, the volume in market at 11, I felt like, okay, market price is gonna go down before going up to fill these 2 weeks, right? So I got in at the open. I got in at this point. Okay, I mean, EURUSD is still pushing down, guys. What a day! Today is awesome, right? So this is 15 minutes. I got in 30 minutes, by the way. So I observed this in 15 minutes. I got in this candle, right? So My stop loss was above here, which was above the 30 minutes at that time. Okay, above 1 hour, sorry, at that time. Then price, this 15 minutes close and this opened and went and caught my stop loss. Actually, I should have left my stop loss above here, rather I left it above here. So it hit my stop loss, just this level, and then kept on going down. So technically I did not lose that trade. Technically I didn't lose it because it's a winner, right? But because of some reasons I wasn't able to make profit from it. Okay, so let's look at Euro USD and its theatrics. It's making a lot of drama here, guys. According to the area where I stay, we call it making drama. So guys, I'm going to close 25% more. I'm going to close 25% more and leave only 1% to run. 25% to run. I close 25% more. Let's see. Today is a blessed day. Very nice day today, guys. What do you think? Don't forget, we are still on NAS. I hope I'm audible. Yeah, we are still on NAS. We're waiting for NAS to make some new moves so that we can grab it by the balls. Okay. Please, if you took this trade, can I get some likes? One, and can I get some W? If you took it, I just want to know how many people that won today. That won amidst market players and market makers and stuff. Winning today, it's a very important day. So if you want today, please, I want to see W in the comment section so that I can take the numbers. Okay. So having said that, let's quickly compute our journals because excuse me. Please, who won today's trade? Nobody. Did anybody not win today? Wow, today I got up to 10 likes. I got up to 10 likes today for the very first time during my live stream. I'm getting up to 10 likes. Congrats to everyone that's liking my stream today for the first time. I got nothing to say, but thank you. Tika? Okay. Nice. This is the level. That's 104.10. So what we are gonna have here is 104.10. That is when our Euro USD position got triggered, and it is actually a short. We got in using weak fill, bears of course, using what time frame? 4 hours, right? Yes, we used 4 hours. The very first trade we are taking with 4 hours. Excuse me. Okay, the very first trade we're taking with 4 hours. Let's see. Okay, I have not added there. Okay, I closed first at 17 pips, second at 23. So what I'm gonna do is 15 to 80. Okay, 15 to 80%. That's correct. 25 plus 50 plus 25. That's 75. So it's closed at 23 point what? Let's see again. Sorry, guys. Yeah, 23%, 23 pips. So it's a win, guys. It's a win, guys. Can I get some W there? So 4 hours. This is the first trade we're taking with 4 hours time frame, and it is a win. So congrats to everyone that took that trade. Really, you guys are awesome. You guys give me the energy I need, because without, wow. So guys, this is a no. We are canceling this trade. Okay, some may ask, why didn't we get into position? We didn't get into position in NAS because, one, we don't have any confirmation, guys. The only confirmation we have is the confirmation to do what? To buy. This is the only confirmation we have. Okay, but the good thing is that EURUSD, every broker on earth has EURUSD as an asset, as an instrument, right? As a tradable instrument. So EURUSD is available to you. You're supposed to have taken this trade, right? And as I'm speaking to you, we have closed partials. And if you have not closed partials and you're waiting for this price to hit TP, foul, that's wrong. Okay, you need to correct that impression. You need to take profits when you can. Whoa, guys. Oh no. Guys, did you see this? Did you see NAS? NAS just did the exact thing that US30 did, right? So let's assume we took a position here. Guys, if you are willing to risk 108 pips for somewhere around 200 something pips, go ahead and open this. Go ahead. It's not too late from our entry point anyway. It's not too late. Okay. And second thing you guys should notice here is that we have forces forming here already. This is 4 hours. This is 4 hours forces, right? I just wish, you know, that this 4 hours is about to end. Then if it closes in this direction, then the break of this low is going to be our entry for price to dump. Okay. But then 4 hours is, we have 2 hours until the end of 4 hours. So you have to be careful what you wish for, guys. Okay. Just gotta be careful. That's all I can say. Just gotta be careful, guys. Okay. 30 minutes, no chance. 15 minutes, no bloody chance. 10 minutes, still no chance. This would have played out well if we got a steeper wick here, but we didn't get any steeper wick. And 5 minutes, nothing. So we couldn't have gotten into this. Nothing. There's nothing to support us into going into, to support our going into this position, right? Let's take another look at US30 because it's our confusing boss. It confuses us and then relaxes. So if we were to be trading US30, see, would have gotten in here and of course used the previous 1 hour as our TP. Look, our TP would have been hit. But this is good thing is that this is up to at least 30 pips, 40 pips at least, would have closed partials. Our TP would have been hit. So again, I'm telling you guys, my blood and NAS100 US30 is not compatible, really. I mean, this is for real, guys. I'm not kidding about this. US30 is not for me. I've tried a lot of times to see if it could be for me. So smart money traders, perhaps they caught this trade. If they are here, at least they must have closed partials, unless they are greedy enough to be like their own albabs, I mean their own founders, who actually claim markets to be their own personal manipulation tool. Let's see template. I want levels 2, please. Levels 2, yes, thank you. This would have been the ultimate take profit. That is, if this is a smart money play, this would be the ultimate take profit. For those of us, for those smart money guys, smart money agents, this is for you. But you gotta be careful. You got to be careful. This is your partials closure. Okay, you have to be very careful. If you want this information, roll back, play back, and get it. Okay, guys, I don't think I'm doing anything online anymore. I'm just gonna close my remaining positions. I think I'm done for the day. Okay, I'm done for the day. I just closed my remaining positions, so you can have a look at this. Okay, I close everything. I'm out completely. It's been a good day. Since morning I've not lost a single trade today. I took how many trades today? Let's see. Sorry. I took 3. Oh, this is live. I took 3 trades live today, and outside 3 trades, before this live stream, I've taken a total of 8 trades today. All of them are winners. right? No, I just lost one. Out of 8, I lost one. And this is the 9th trade now. So out of 9 trades, I lost only 1 since morning. And guys, I deserve some accolades. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everyone. This is final closure. I'm gonna assume. Okay, let's be fair here. We have a calculator here that does all this mathematics for us. No need to manually do that. It's gonna hurt us. So 23 and 21. What is it gonna be? 22. Okay, we have a total of 22 pips today. Okay, guys, I don't know. That will be all from me today. Thank you very much for joining, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate the fact that you guys keep me company every day. I do my stuff, something I love so much, and you guys keep me company while I do that. It means I am valued, right? Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you guys. Take care. Do have a lovely day. See you guys tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna be available to trade tomorrow in the morning. Let's see. Tomorrow is 3rd, and I don't know. I'm gonna check my calendar to see if I'm gonna be available to trade tomorrow. If I see the opportunity to trade tomorrow at London Open, I'm gonna do that. Otherwise, trading during London Open is strictly on Mondays. On Mondays, I'm gonna be available every Monday to trade London Open. So make sure you invite your friends every day, every Monday at London Open, so that we can trade EURUSD and German index together every Monday morning. Okay. Besides this, I think today is a good day. It says, who is advertising adult dating sites here, guys? Adult dating site? Are you kidding me right now? What the hell, man? Guys, we don't do this here, guys. I mean, we are still growing, but we don't want to leave some indecent stigma. Oh my god, my friend, please don't spam here. Don't make me install don't make me install those stuff. So what's it called? Whatever. I'm late today. Did you take a trade on NAS? No, my dear. NAS was pretty much very unstable, so we couldn't take a trade. Excuse me. It was very unstable. Sosi says congrats. Thank you very much, Sosi. You are awesome. You are very awesome. Awesome. Okay. You're very awesome. What else? Simeon, yeah, I was calling you before because I know that if you are in the stream, you normally comment, but you didn't comment. I was calling, yeah. Yeah, we didn't take a trade on NAS. We only took a trade on EURUSD, where we gained on average 22 pips. So it's a good thing today. So far so good. Our win rate just went up to 83.33. Let's hope for good wins in the subsequent coming days, and I wish everyone all the best. Thank you very much, guys, and do have a lovely evening, morning, or afternoon, depending on where you are.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud,